The Power of Discipline. Video 8. Discipline in Relationships. Building Strong Bonds. Discipline doesn't exist in isolation. It profoundly impacts our interactions with others. In this video, we'll explore the role of discipline in relationships and how it can be a powerful tool for building and maintaining strong bonds with others. How discipline enhances relationships. Discipline enhances relationships in a number of ways. It fosters trust and respect. When we are disciplined in our interactions with others, we show them that we value them and their time. This builds trust and respect, which are essential foundations for strong relationships. It improves communication. Discipline helps us to communicate more effectively by listening attentively, expressing ourselves clearly, and being mindful of our words. This leads to clearer, more productive interactions and fewer misunderstandings. It promotes healthy boundaries. Discipline helps us to set and maintain healthy boundaries in our relationships. This is important for protecting our personal values and priorities, and for preventing resentment and conflict. It enables conflict resolution. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but discipline can help us to resolve them constructively. By staying calm and collected, we can communicate our needs and perspectives in a respectful manner. This increases the chances of finding a mutually agreeable solution. Strategies for practicing discipline in relationships. Here are a few strategies for practicing discipline in your relationships. Be mindful of your words and actions. Choose your words carefully and be mindful of your behavior. Avoid saying or doing things that you know will hurt or offend the other person. Be honest and transparent. Be honest about your feelings and needs and be transparent about your intentions. This builds trust and respect in the relationship. Be accountable for your actions. When you make a mistake, take responsibility for it and apologize. This shows the other person that you respect them and that you are committed to making things right. Be willing to compromise. In any relationship, there will be times when you need to compromise. Be willing to meet the other person halfway, but don't compromise your core values or principles. Conclusion. Discipline is a powerful tool for building and maintaining strong relationships. By practicing discipline in your interactions with others, you can foster trust and respect, improve communication, promote healthy boundaries, and enable conflict resolution. As a result, you will experience more meaningful and fulfilling relationships in all areas of your life. In the videos to come, we will continue to explore the multifaceted nature of discipline, including financial discipline, physical health, professional success, and much more. With each video, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the power of discipline and its transformative potential in every aspect of your life. Thanks for watching.